Hi, I'm Frank with ButterflyMX. Today, I'll be showing you how our apartment video intercom system works. The video intercom allows residents to see and communicate with visitors before granting access. Visitors use the touchscreen to call residents, who then receive real-time video calls via the ButterflyMX mobile app and can grant access if they choose to do so. The ButterflyMX mobile app allows residents to remotely manage access, whether they're at home or away. Through the app, residents can unlock doors, send visitor passes for delivery personnel and service providers, and other trusted guests. And from the online dashboard called the ButterflyMX OS, property managers can track and manage access logs, monitor entry points, and adjust permissions from any desktop or smartphone. Whether it's for residents, visitors, or service providers, ButterflyMX simplifies property access, making it more secure and convenient. The ButterflyMX Video Intercom comes in an 8-inch and 12-inch model. And whether you're looking to add ButterflyMX in a new building or retrofitting in an older one, the system is designed to fit any infrastructure. It's compatible with both small and large properties, making it a versatile solution for your access control needs. The ButterflyMX Intercom only requires 3 wires for installation, one for power, one for internet, and one to connect to the door. Once installed, configuring the system is easy, and our client success managers are here to help you along the way. With a few clicks, you can add residents, adjust access privileges, and manage visitors. And because our system is cloud-based, you can manage your property from anywhere. ButterflyMX seamlessly integrates with the most popular property management platforms, meaning any change in your property management software will be reflected in the ButterflyMX system, making move-ins and move-outs a breeze. And there we have an overview of the ButterflyMX Video Intercom system. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to learn more about how ButterflyMX makes property-wide access simple. And discover more valuable insights by downloading our free guide to smart building technology linked down in the description below.